Night one in my new home. It is 10 past 12. I'm pretty knackered. I've had a good crack today. The house was pretty filthy, but it's pretty exciting. I have already made, I can tell, substantial changes to the wall. The other walls have a lot to go. For example, that, almost painted, I guess. You know, there's a lot of hooks and holes and, you know, other bits and pieces. So I'm gonna try and do a bit of a diary of the time. You'll get sick of my face, you'll get sick of my voice, but I think it's a good way that I can hopefully track how it's going, and if I end up putting it anywhere, show whoever you are watching what can be done with a house with great bones. Sometimes just needs a little bit of work. Start of first full day of renos, getting an early start. I feel a little bit sick, but that's okay. I am just making a bit of a list in my head of what to do, so I'm going to crack on, get into it. As you can see, I've got breakfast of champions behind me. Get some sugar and fat into me to get me through the day. So take you along, and hopefully we see some drastic change in this room by the end of tonight.
I wonder who you are, who you are. A mother, a daughter, a sky. You're painting my numbers.
So this is, I think, day 3 or 4 of doing some work at the house. We officially moved in today, so there's now an added complexity of having to work around stuff. But we're going pretty well. Have done most of the lounge room painting and currently doing this bedroom. And yeah, so it's getting there. Slowly but surely patching walls and finding more holes than I thought were there, but it's all good. It's a fun time, and I'm very tired, so I'm going to go to bed, and I'll hopefully snap this all together and edit it in the next couple of days.
Sticks and stones Hurt harder when you know they're thrown from no farther than your own sweet home, and you fall flat on the